I'm Celebrity Chef Mariko, and today I'm going to show you how to make wasabi paste. Wasabi paste is the perfect side for your favorite sushi or sashimi. Wasabi is also great if you're making an Asian style dressing and you need a little bit of Japanese inspired kick. Today I'm going to be making a Japanese style wasabi paste that is really fast and simple. You can buy wasabi powder at most grocery stores. There's a lot of different types out there, but I tend to go for the ones that are all natural and don't have the artificial green food coloring like some of the store brand kinds that you can buy. So the rule of thumb is to do equal parts water to equal parts powder. So in a small little glass, it's actually a little shot glass, I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoons of wasabi powder. And then I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoons of water. If you want a real liquidy version of your paste, you can add a little bit more water. But I like making the actual paste so then you can form it in a little mound like you do when you go to the Japanese restaurants. So the Japanese have a little trick for making their wasabi extra spicy. Basically, they put it in their container and then they put it upside down. So they let it sit upside down for just a couple of minutes, and apparently it's supposed to do something with the flavors to give it a lot of extra spice and heat. Now that everything is mixed together, it is ready to form into a little mound. And be careful because it's going to start to get really pungent in here. I can already feel my eyes burning, and I'm not sure if they're burning extra hard because I put the wasabi upside down or not. So anyways, now that you have your paste, it's ready to form into a little mound. This is exactly what you would see at the sushi restaurants. And sometimes I've been to sushi restaurants where they form this into fish or leaves. Today I'm just going to make it a little mound and it's ready to serve. This is Mariko showing you how to make wasabi paste. Enjoy.